Alright, I finished that ford. Now I'm in this little micro plot. I'm going to just pull all the small trees in that. And then I could bush hog and spray this. And it's a really nice setup here, kind of down in the bottom a little bit. Although I think you'll still have evening thermals. And then I may or may not start cutting the road into the property farther. See how I do here in a little while. It's jungle in here. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. And if you're new to our channel, welcome aboard. We'd love to have you join us for all of our adventures. So this is literally our newest life adventure and probably our grand finale. We just moved to this new Missouri farm. We bought 575 acres and a home that was in need of a lot of projects and so forth. Very, very long story on this whole thing. But anyways, this is the kickoff. We're starting land management and home rehab projects. So today I'm going to just work on a new little micro plot clearing I found in the woods, and I'm going to actually explore the woods with my mini excavator, something a little different. So if you enjoyed the scenery and the nature aspect of it, because this is a beautiful property, hit the like button, and I hope to see you again. Consider subscribing. Thanks a lot. Let's get out in the woods and see what we can explore. Right here, this is just briars, but it's I rebed it, 8 foot high, if not higher. A couple little trees mixed in, like right here. I could bush hog this, but I don't have a tractor right now. So I'll go with what I got. It'll be a nice little field in here, very picturesque, very quiet. Probably be a good hunting spot. Alright, I will make it a good hunting spot. How about that? Wish I knew what kind of bush that was. This here I know is a locust. Briars on it, or stickers on it. Alright, I'll keep moving along. Alright, now I'm at the far end of this field. I'm just kind of exploring. There's a pretty steep hill up that way. I know there's another ditch over here somewhere. Actually, the ditch just starts right here. Okay, so before I get to the next exploring segment of this video, I'm going to try to show you this micro plot that I'm working on. So last time I cut this ford, this ditch crossing right here that we're going to go across here in a minute. But right now I'm going to drive through the micro plot that I just plucked and we were working on. And then after that, we're going to start cutting a new road through some pretty rugged terrain. Working on for a micro plot. I cleared the little saplings out of here. It's a nice shape. It's kind of a Y shape, and then that way I made a whole new road all the way through ridges and rocks and cuts and ditches all the way to the hayfield, all the way in the back. That's got to be at least, I'm going to say at least a half mile, maybe more. So good edge of this field, see what's in here, see if there's any old deer stands, anything else of interest. Sasquatch maybe. Alright, so here's a ditch right here. We're actually right in the ditch right now. It's a pretty wide one here. Depending if I'm going to consider selling this piece or not, I got to probably cut a road farther yet. I think I hit a dead end here. Might go back around that way. Like an opening over here. Let's go this way. Get some of this out of my way. Field now is extending, at least the flat area. You can see it's overgrown here, but let's see where this flat area goes. Looks interesting. Okay, so now the hill over here is a little more gentle, but I need to go that way with it at some point. Alright, now I'm curious. What's up here? I don't want to run over. This could be, if I get lucky, finger. Those are what you want to look for if you're cutting the road. so I got to decide if this way is a lot more gentle, but I do want to get a road that way also. Easy enough to cross right here. The ditch is a lot smaller over here. So I could cross right here, but this is really gentle this way, but I'm going the wrong way. Oh, there's Sharon behind me. That dirt, wow, that is rich. Alright, so I found out where I'm at on the map. It's a pretty good spot. I'm going to go up this hill here and cut a new road on this parcel that we may be selling. This really, really nice piece of ground. Should be easier once I get up into these hardwoods. It should be a lot easier to see where I'm going, as you can see already. Alright, we are making our way up this ridge here. The ditch is on our right. Okay, so I'm following the upper side of the ditch. I could kind of see, I think I could see the field opening already, but we'll see. I'd like to keep it going along that ditch because this piece here I want to keep. So I'm going to just keep following the ditch on the high side. Alright, we're working our way up and out. It's a little steeper here, but I'm still following this ditch on my right. Alright, now I got to backtrack. I just the terrain was just too rough. Okay, so something's always given up on me, so my GoPro battery went dead here. That's why the clips are cutting out after like 8 seconds. So we'll wrap up this segment, kind of an exploring segment, but I'll wrap all this stuff up together in future episodes with the new microplot that I started clearing, and I cut this whole new road from east to west through some really rugged terrain. So I hope you'll join us on the next episode. If you enjoyed this one, please hit the like button. Have a great evening. Remember, dream big and take some action towards your dreams, whatever they are. Until next time, take care. Thanks a lot.